Hello everybody, this is Dr. Amjad Razal. Today I'm going to talk about something that happened a few days ago at my academy. There were two students who came to my academy. As some of you know that I run Razal Academy to prepare the students for their education and also for their examination in the coming months. Two students came to my academy for an admission along with their father. They are in class 10 and they just wanted to get my help to prepare for their examination. So without even asking a lot about fees and talking about the negotiation, I simply said yes so that I can prepare those students for their examination and they can do well. But what happened when I checked their knowledge from geography, from science, from maths and in English, I was surprised to see that they don't know anything at all. Okay, so I asked them a simple question from maths just to do a basic multiplication. They were not able to do that. When I asked them to do some basic division, which a third class student can do easily, so they were not able to do that as well. When I checked their English, they were very bad at speaking and they did not even understand simple questions to answer them. When I asked them some questions from geography, from science, it seems, it was like they don't know anything at all. So I was really sad to see that how these students were taught at schools, and I simply don't blame the students for this because they are the students, they go to the school to learn. It was basically the responsibility of the parents and also the educators to give them those skills they are supposed to learn and acquire at schools. I'm going to put those questions in this video. You can see them and you can understand that those questions can be easily answered by any student in grade 5 or grade 4. That was a very basic question. After seeing that, I was really sad and I told the parent that I'm really sorry. I cannot help at this point of time since the examinations are going to be in the next month itself, from April or in the month of May, and we have a very little time to prepare them from the basics and then to come to teaching them whatever they were supposed to write in the examination of class 10. I believe that educators are not doing their part at schools. I don't know what exactly going wrong at schools, but just imagine the student who has spent 10 years at school learning English, math, science, social studies, general knowledge and other subjects, and after 10 years when you check the child, when you evaluate the child, you see that there is nothing in the child. So the parent who has spent a lot of money, like maybe in these 10 years the parent must have spent nearly 10 to 15 lakhs on both the students, but what happened in the end? The children are totally zero. I personally think that the educators in the country, they need to do something for this. Whatever you are teaching at the school and whatever is taught at the school, that the children must at least learn and acquire those skills. I think at every school, the rote learning or just to memorize the questions and go question and answers and go and write those answers in the examination is exactly worsening the situation and worsening the scenario at all the schools. I believe that educators can do a lot about this, and I believe that not only there are two students, there are many students in almost all the states. I think this is something very serious and all the educators, they need to think about it. So my personal message in this video is, dear educators, please do not run behind the students to only memorize the questions and answers and write them in the examination. Whatever you are teaching, there are skills behind them. Please try to acquire those skills and try to motivate your children to do something well about that. And in the end, definitely, we can see a lot of good result. Thank you.